Hey friends, if you're unable to change the time zone in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, let me explain this. Right click on the start button and then you can select settings and then you can go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time and then we have this option here for set time zone automatically. Now, if this is checked, you can obviously not change the time zone, so you'll have to uncheck it and then change the time zone. The second thing is that you can go to additional clocks and then go to date and time, change time zone, and change it from here automatically. Click on OK. Right, these are the normal methods, but if it doesn't help, then you will have to install all the Windows updates first, just in case any security update was missing. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates, install all, or whatever option you have here. Let it install completely. It may need a lot of time, especially if it's a cumulative update. As you can see, it's installing at 75% and then restart your computer. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a clean boot. But why? Because here's what happens if a third party software is preventing functions on your computer, especially the ability to change the time zone, then you can isolate that possibility by rebooting your system in the clean boot state. So, search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.